How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the currently price update of Axie Infinity, and absolutely we're shortly predicated Axie Infinity as in the future there is possibilities that the price of Axie Infinity will pump or dump. So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, I request everybody that if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently live and latest price of Axie Infinity in the market, so Axie Infinity is a high price coin, 133 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Axie Infinity. And you know what? My personally target for Axie Infinity is about to 150 USD dollar in the last of October. That will be the price, guys. If the price continue like that changes, as you can see absolutely, and the noise is I love Axie Infinity due to this positive changes, guys. I love Axie Infinity. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, you found you complete Axie Infinity is going to moon, guys. So guys, you know what? Now, for October, for the last of October, my prediction is going unbelievable profit, guys, and I believe that for long time possibilities that they continue this pump. You know what? My I also told you in my previous videos that Infinity price possibilities 80 to 90% chances that the price of Infinity will pump in October last, guys, and they continue this pump just the possibility that also continue this pump to the next year, next month, guys. So I recommend, it's a high price coin. Please do a lot of research before you take a decision, before you take a decision about buying, about selling, about holding. So always you have to do research because it's a high price coin. My recommendation, my suggestion for all of you is that it's holding time, because now the price is going positive. So absolutely, if you want a profit, so you have to hold. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Axie Infinity? Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.